when you build upon the successes, even when you have obstacles in the way, but you get over them, oh man, the confidence you get. The confidence in your competence is not overconfidence. It's confidence in your competence. I get to do this. I've got this. I can do this. And you get those wonderful positive beliefs as opposed to I should or I could have, oh, I haven't done anything. And then maybe I'm a failure now. No, you get that wonderful, brilliant belief about yourself that I've got this and I'm going to do it because I can. And you start to see wonderful results.
This is Personal Development Unplugged with Paul Clough.
In simplicity, there is genius.
In simplicity, there is genius.